Let us begin today's meet. Up till now, we studied two special effects or cases when waves superimpose on each other. One effect we studied interference, and the other effect we studied formation of beats. These effects, due to superposition, are observed under certain conditions. Today, we will proceed further to study one more effect observed due to superposition of two simple harmonic progressive waves. In third type, in special case, we consider two simple harmonic progressive waves which are exactly identical. Means both waves have same wavelength, same amplitude, same velocity, or they are identical in all respects. They are moving along same line, but we will assume both are moving in exact opposite direction. For example, if one wave moves in positive direction of x-axis, we will assume the other wave moving in a negative direction of x-axis along the same line of action, and that produces what is called formation of stationary waves. So today we will proceed further to study the third effect due to superposition of waves, the production of stationary waves. It is point number 6.5 on page 137 of the textbook. Nihal, open page number 137, point number 6.5. So, actually, what happens when beats are formed, both waves travel in the same direction. Interference is also observed when waves are traveling in the same direction. Beats are formed when waves travel in same direction up to infinite distance, means in interference and in formation of beats, the medium of propagation of wave is of infinite length. It is open medium, because if progressive travels through the open medium, infinite medium, it travels till indefinite distance by retaining its own characteristics without changing its characteristics. But during formation of stationary waves, we need two waves traveling in opposite direction even along same line of action. So first thing, these stationary waves cannot be formed if the medium of propagation is open or is infinite. To observe formation of stationary waves, the medium expected essentially should be bounded. Bounded means what? The medium should be bounded by some other medium. It should have the boundaries. So, in such medium, these stationary waves can be formed. This is its first feature. What is expected? The medium should be bounded. This is the essential. Now, in bounded medium, you want two waves which are exactly identical. So, which is preferred? So, generally, they can be produced by interfering incident wave and its own reflecting wave. Reflection of incident wave from the boundary of some another medium. It is preferred. It is preferred method to observe the production of stationary waves. जब भी स्टेशनरी वेव होती है ना, तो हम लोगों को टू सिंपल हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेसिव वेव्स लगते हैं. दे शुड मूव along same line and should identical in all respects and should in opposite direction. So what is the simplest method to get incident wave and its own reflected wave along same line of action? And it is only possible if the medium through which wave propagate is bounded. Bounded means what? It should have certain definite boundaries. For example, you have a string and it is between two pages. ये जो पेज है ना उसके ऊपर वो ये स्ट्रेट स्ट्रिंग है तो दिस स्ट्रेट स्ट्रिंग हैज टू बाउंड्रीज एट टू एंड्स so the string is a bounded medium if you have a air column formed in a tube पाइप एक पाइप है उसमें एयर कॉलम है सो दिस इज द एयर column formed within the pipe can be considered as bounded medium. But in this room, if the air is available, this is not bounded. But this is bounded medium. The membrane of the drum का membrane रहता है ना, वो भी you can treat as a bounded medium. So this is first requirement. Two identical waves can be obtained using this through this bounded medium. So when these stationary waves are formed, at some particles of the medium, the amplitude of resultant motion is zero. These are called nodes. Except nodes, all rest particles of the medium are set in simple harmonic motion. These nodes are situated at equal distances from each other. Nodes है. At few particles of the medium, when these stationary waves are formed, permanently with respect to time amplitude always of resultant motion always remains zero. These are known but they are situated at given equal intervals and between all these particles a b c d e f all these particles except nodes are set in oscillatory motion in simple harmonic motion. So what happens when this particle is set in motion, this particle gets set in motion and as the time passes, amplitude of given one particle does not change. From particle to particle, amplitude of resultant motion changes. But at given particle, amplitude does not change. Means once this set is set with amplitude A1, even time passes, it will vibrate with same amplitude A1 till stationary waves are present. This particle, if is set in motion with amplitude A2, it will vibrate with same amplitude A2 till stationary waves are present, are formed. So different particles vibrate with different amplitudes, but amplitude of given particle is not a function of time. If time passes, its amplitude does not change. So what happens? The entire medium gets divided into loop. Loop formation होता है. ये पार्टिकल का एम्पलीट्यूड मैक्सिमम है इधर ये जीरो है ये पार्टिकल का एम्पलीट्यूड मैक्सिमम रहेगा दिस इज जीरो सो these loops they appear when stationary waves are formed. So second feature is all particles except nodes perform simple harmonic motion. Amplitudes of different particles have different values and hence these nodes are not vibrating. Thus energy from this particle is not transferred through this node. नोड जो है ना वो स्टेशनरी है उसका एम्पलीट्यूड जीरो है तो नोड के थ्रू एनर्जी प्रोपगेट नहीं हो सकती है ट्रांसफर नहीं हो सकती है सो दीज वेव्स डू नॉट transfer energy. They are localized and hence are also called as standing waves. So remember these all points well. The stationary waves can only be formed in bounded medium. Indefinite medium रहेगा तो क्या होता है? The once wave passes through that indefinite medium, there is no any obstruction and it travels infinite distance by retaining its own properties. But if the medium of propagation is bounded, wave reaches at suppose this boundary, but at this boundary you will get disturbance, discontinuation. ये मीडियम आगे है ना, नहीं है ना, तो डिसकंटिन्यू हो जाता है and instead of continuous propagation of this wave gets reflected back from the given boundary due to continuation of this medium of propagation. So, incident wave and its own reflected wave can only be generated, which is the simplest way to observe the formation of stationary waves in bounded medium. These boundaries can be rigid one, like this wire, which is rested on two pages. ये पेजेस है वो रिजिड है, तो बोथ बाउंड्रीज कैन बी रिजिड वन, बोथ बाउंड्रीज कैन बी ओपन वन, ओपन भी हो सकते हैं। ये लूप है ना, ये वाला और ये वाला, ये ओपन बाउंड्रीज होते हैं। तो बाउंड्रीज आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स, इट मे बी रिजिड, इट मे बी ओपन, ओनली द कंडीशन द मीडियम इफ इज बाउंडेड, देन एंड देन ओनली स्टेशनरी वेव्स can form in that particular medium. In indefinite or open medium, these waves can never be produced. उनका प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो सकता है। और when are produced at some points on the medium, amplitude permanently remains zero. And these are called nodes. They are equally spaced. And hence, except nodes, all particles are set in vibration. For few particles, amplitude of vibration is maximum. For other particle, it is less than A2, it is less than again A2, and so on. And hence, the entire medium gets divided into integral number of loops. Half loop तैयार नहीं होता है कभी, हुआ तो इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल में ही होता है। So entire medium gets divided into loops. All particles in one loop are always vibrating in phase, but particles in adjacent two loops vibrate in opposite phase. ये सब particles in phase रहते हैं, लेकिन दो loops के adjacent particles opposite phase में ही रहते हैं. The length of one loop, what will be its value? 180, and this is next 180. So, two loops form one wavelength of the resultant motion. The length of single loop is always equal to half the wavelength of resultant wave. All these are its characteristics. Only remember, except nodes, all particles are set in simple harmonic motion, and amplitudes of vibration of different particles are different. At one particular particle, amplitude once formed does not change with respect to time, and loops appear in the given medium, which is bounded one. बाउंडेड मीडियम में हम लोगों को लूप्स तैयार होके मिलते हैं. सो इन डायग्राम 6.8 ए पार्ट ए देखो, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स ऑन स्ट्रिंग दिया हुआ है, बोथ साइड्स एक वर्टिकल लाइन लगी है. So these are the boundaries. Medium should be bounded, and the entire medium gets divided into number of loops. उसमें जो देखो एरो दिखाई दिए है, यानी कि अबाउट द मेन पोजीशन दे वाइब्रेट, दिस इज ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स टाइप स्टेशनरी वेव्स. Simple harmonic progressive waves are of two type, transverse as well as longitudinal. So we have two types of stationary waves. Transverse stationary waves, they are observed on the straight stream in which we get crest and trough. Crest and trough. Longitudinal type stationary waves are formed in air column in pipe. उसमें क्या होता है? Compression और रेडिफैक्शन. अगेन कॉम्प्रेशन रेडिफैक्शन, ऐसे लूप्स तैयार होते हैं. एक रस ट्रफ हम लोग दिखाते हैं लेकिन ये बराबर नहीं है. एक्चुअली कॉम्प्रेशन रेडिफैक्शन ऐसे दिखाने चाहिए. सो बोथ टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स आर फॉर्म ट्रांसवर्स नेचर एज वेल एज इन लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल टाइप. सिंपल हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेसिव वेव्स में भी स्टेशनरी वेव्स का प्रोडक्शन हो जाता है. So we have studied features of stationary waves. Features means properties which are given in point 6.5.3 on page number 139. पेज नंबर देखो 139 निकालो, उसमें 6.5.3 आर्टिकल दिया हुआ है, प्रॉपर्टीज और फीचर्स ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स. उसमें सब दिया हुआ है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स इन द नोटबुक. द क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स. टू आइडेंटिकल वेव्स, आइडेंटिकल चाहिए यानी कि इन ऑल रिस्पेक्ट्स देयर फ्रीक्वेंसी शुड बी सेम, देयर एम्पलीट्यूड शुड बी सेम, देयर वेलोसिटी शुड बी सेम. All these should be same in the given medium. Line of action should be same, only should travel in opposite direction. अभी opposite direction में अगर suppose they are interfering exact in opposite phase, out of phase है ही, opposite direction में क्या out of phase, suppose out of phase by 180 degree. एक का क्रेस्ट दूसरे के टफ के ऊपर गिरना चाहिए, एग्जैक्ट 180 डिग्री आउट ऑफ फेज रहेंगे तो ही स्टेशनरी वेव्स फॉर्म होते हैं. ये भी आप लोगों को ध्यान में रखना है. इफ यू टेक टू वेव्स आइडेंटिकल इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन बट एग्जैक्टली नॉट आउट ऑफ फेज बाय 180 डिग्री, ऐसा है. सपोज एक वेव ऐसी है और दूसरी वेव आ रही है लेकिन ये एग्जैक्टली आउट ऑफ फेज नहीं है, एक का फेज दूसरे के ट्रफ के ऊपर नहीं गिर रहा है. दे आर आउट ऑफ फेज बाय सम एंगल फाई व्हिच इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली 180 डिग्री. तो सस्टेन लूप्स विल नेवर ऑब्जर्व. So to have distinct and sustained stationary wave pattern, the phase difference between the two waves should be exactly pi radians or 180 degrees. तो स्टेशनरी वेव फॉर्म होते हैं, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में दो वेव चले गए आइडेंटिकल तो फॉर्म होते हैं, लेकिन इसमें जो पैटर्न तैयार होगा वो सस्टेन नहीं रहेगा. सो टू हैव सस्टेन पैटर्न ऑफ लूप फॉर्मेशन, stationary waves are produced only under certain conditions. The two waves in opposite direction should meet exactly out of phase by pi radians, that is 180 degree. ये भी आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है. तो जो लूप्स तैयार होते हैं ना उसका पैटर्न बहुत अच्छा दिखाई देता है. In next lecture I will set the apparatus on which I will show you the formation of loop. The entire length of the string will get divided into number of loops. That demo I will show you in next lecture. मेरे पास अभी वो 12वीं की प्रैक्टिकल के एग्जाम बोर्ड की चालू है तो वो मैं apparatus में ले नहीं पाई आज. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में वो आपको मैं अपीयरेंस ऑफ लूप का डेमो दिखाने वाली हूँ. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम विल हैव दैट डेमो. सो दी स्टेशनरी वेव्स उसने सब दिया हुआ है. देखो सेकंड पॉइंट आइडेंटिकल वेव्स ट्रांसवर्स सिंपल हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेसिव वेव्स पे भी हम लोग ले पाते हैं, नहीं तो इन केस ऑफ लैंडिट्यूडिनल टाइप ऑल्सो दिस स्टेशनरी वेव्स कैन बी फॉर्म। ये दोनों पॉइंट सेकंड और थर्ड में दिए हुए हैं। Then fourth is what I have told, nodes are situated equally in space and distance between two consecutive nodes is always lambda by 2. Those are the points where permanently one stationary waves are formed. The displacement remains 0. वो पॉइंट नंबर 4 दिया हुआ है। बीच में एंटीनोड मिलता है, मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट, where you observe maximum displacement, it is called antinodes. So this node, antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode, they are alternately situated. Distance between two antinodes is also lambda by 2, but distance between node and its adjacent antinode thus will be lambda by 4. So one wavelength of stationary waves covers two loops. Length of one loop is lambda by 2, same as distance between two consecutive nodes or distance between two antinodes which are consecutive. And distance between node and its adjacent antinode is always lambda by 4. Then point number 6, amplitude of vibrations varies periodically in space. All points vibrate with same frequency, but each and every point is vibrating with its own amplitude. Amplitudes are different at different particles of the medium. Then point number 7 they have given, since through node energy cannot be passed, energy is not transmitted when stationary waves are formed. They are localized, so their velocity is always 0. They are neither moving in positive direction nor in negative direction. They get localized. So velocity of the stationary waves is 0. मैंने रीजन भी बोल दिया है, जहां नोड आता है इधर तक एनर्जी आती है, ड्यू टू वाइब्रेशन एट दिस पॉइंट एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफर्ड, but through node energy cannot be propagated further even the medium is transparent for the propagation of wave, and hence energy is not transmitted when stationary waves are formed. All particles in one node are in phase. Particles in two adjacent nodes vibrate exactly opposite in phase. So based demonstration of the formation of stationary waves is every musical instrument. मैंने बोला है आप लोगों को कि when music is obtained by musical instrument, we listen it as a result of formation of stationary wave. अगर गिटार है, नहीं तो सतार है, सतार में क्या होता है, दो नाइफ एजेस रहते हैं, नहीं तो गिटार, वायलिन, कौन सा भी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट ले लो, जब भी इट साउंड्स, जब भी हम लोग उससे म्यूजिक सुनते हैं तो उसके ऊपर ओवर दैट मीडियम स्टेशनरी वेव्स आर फॉर्म। हाँ, ये जो सीधा स्क्रीन है इसमें दो बेंचेस रहती है, बेंचेस है यानी रिजिड सपोर्ट है। व्हेन यू प्लग it starts vibrating but it is bounded on both waves and hence one due to vibration waves are produced. These vibrations are carried on both sides of the point of clumping in the form of simple harmonic progressive waves. दोनों बाजू waves propagate होने शुरू होते हैं, लेकिन when they reach at these two boundaries, they get reflected back. And this entire string, over this entire string, loops appear. Appearance of stationary waves is observed. So music from all musical instruments, when is heard, stationary waves get formed over that musical instrument. एयर कॉलम हो सकता है, एयर कॉलम में भी हो जाता है ड्रम। ड्रम जब बीट करते हैं तभी बीटिंग के टाइम वो ड्रम है वो अप डाउन होता है और उसमें भी स्टेशनरी वेव्स ही फॉर्म हो जाते हैं। सो दिस इज अबाउट थियोरेटिकल पार्ट ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स। अभी मैंने जो थियरी बोली है, यू हैव टू प्रूव इट एनालिटिकली। सो व्हेन द स्टेशनरी वेव्स आर फॉर्म, few points always remain at rest. Few points vibrate with maximum amplitude. ये सब हम लोगों को मैथमेटिकली प्रूव करना पड़ेगा। ये जो है वो लॉजिक थिंकिंग है। नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल स्टडी एनालिटिकल ट्रीटमेंट फॉर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेशनरी वेव्स। One more point I have left is the uses of beats, and that uses we will consider next time. So uses of beats and analytical treatment of stationary waves. With this, we will proceed further in next lecture. So I am winding the